Hi everyone, this is JR and I want you to see a little glimpse of my life when I'm offline. So early in the morning, I always take a video at the scenery from a window to our tree house. So this is where I sleep day sa tree house na. So every time na makauli ko bukid, ari jud ko mato. So this picture day happens after my final examination sa first semester. So what happens is that my tita and my grandmother goes to cemetery to visit my lolo. So I always do a regular walking sad since my belly is getting fat. So nagkatambok na jud ko, so that's why I always do regular walking since my goal for this year is to be physically fit man, so dapat dinatad akong tiya. And guys, you also don't forget family bonding since it's the time where we can talk about problems, about life. So I really love spending time with my family. I'm with my sister, my mother, my little brothers, and my niece. Ug ang bana sa akong ate. So nalingaw jud mi diri. Iskuan lami, nagstoryahanay. We talk about how we could build our future. Kay mao man jud ay pinaka end goal, ma-build ang future. Ug ang relationship with God. So this is the moment jud nga I cherish the most. Kay diri jud mi makabanding ug maka-stress. So kana nga time kay I'm so wet na gyud kay naligo na mga gikan mo na basa na kay. I also don't forget to play with little kids kay diri kita malingaw murag mo balik tagkabata no, so nagduwa may day dira og unggoy-unggoy. So disclaimer, this is just a friendly game cards, dili na siya sugal. Kanang nagduwa-duwa rami in order to relieve stress, mga bata mga katawa malingaw. So kani kay pahiray mamig uling, so lingaw kay may anay kay among naon jud nagkanimao. So nagkuha na ako uling dira nga time kay mamahid na ko sa napili sa unggoy-unggoy. Yeah, that's my brother no, lingaw kay siya kay luwas siya wa siya napahiri pero nanapoy daghang uling. So mo ni di among mga neighbor ni na mga children no. So nagduwa mi, nagpahid-pahid mig uling. So tanawa, that's my face after the game. Daghan kay og uling kay maayo kay maduog cards ang mga bata eh. Pero kana nga duwa kay friendly game ra na siya, unggoy-unggoy. So dili na siya sugal ha, disclaimer. So thank you for watching and I hope you have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.